Karooni Knit Composite Ltd. We have started with the first spinning mill in Bangladesh and had extended into another spinning mill of 32,700 spindles and built the forward linkage for knitting, knit dyeing, finishing, yarn dyeing, garmenting and garment printing units. The capacity that we are able to produce on a yearly basis is 32 million pieces of knit apparels in the form of t-shirts, polo shirts, knitted bottoms, knitted kids overalls, knitted gowns, sweaters, sweatshirts. We are a fully compliant manufacturing unit having sustainable systems and policies for supply chain management, production processes, customer relations, purchase, research and development, environmental management and corporate social responsibilities. We are one of the fastest growing group in Bangladesh in the textile and apparel space, willing to touch the lives of each individual in the planet and benefit through enhanced products and services. Industry: apparel manufacturing. Company size: 5,001 to 10,000 employees. Headquarters: Gazipur, BD type. Privately held. Founded 1962.